Right now, Lord, I'm in my house, Jehovah. We are Jamaicans people. Look how they're dealing with us. They keep on balling for murder. Jamaicans, look right now. Look how the soldier them pointing at them gun. About 10 of them just gone in that yard right now. Look right there, that shot me in tiny daily. Look people, Lord. Look. Woman of God, look for people. Look for soldier. Look and them going to war. No shot is firing down here, people. People, look.
Go more.
I said to go home. Please go home. Go home. Please go home.
Viewers, subscribers, a night of bullets and fire is how some people in West Kingston describe last night. Again, may I say, forces and gunmen traded bullets and a fire broke out in Railway Market, which allegedly was said to be by persons protesting. Allegedly. We also see police and soldiers running away from their vehicle. This and more I'm going to talk about. So if you're new viewer, make sure you subscribe now to the bell icon to turn on your post notification. So far we have seen audios and videos being circulated on social media which shows the land-running gun battle in parts of Denham Town and Tivoli Gardens. A team of police officers were reportedly people pinned down by gunfire coming from, I think it's Lizard Town. Reinforcement and JDF units were brought in as more gunfire continue, as you can see in video that would be on the screen as well. You see, so there are no reports of injuries that I can tell you of. Again, may I say, the police have provided no release on this issue as yet. It is reported that police and soldiers were responding to a gun battle between armed gangs in the areas. That's what I was told, and based on what I'm also seeing in the videos as well. And also, people, the Railway Market near West Queen Street was seen on fire close to like midnight. It is believed that as a part of the disturbance, the market was set on fire. So, viewers, subscribers, what even make matter much more interesting is that police and the soldiers had to flee their vehicle after they came under heavy gunfire by gang members. My people, we see, as you can see right now, you will see a video of a man which appears to be in one of the police vehicle. So, maybe I wonder how that even possible as to how that happened, but it appears that that was one of the vehicle that the police had to flee while they came under heavy gun battle with gang member. Some people, in regards to a video I've seen, me realize say yo, like the woman a video, the police, the soldier them are going upon a few people, and the people them about like, murder, and me here, the woman I say yo, I saw them do it down here, so and right here. So me I say yo, like, how me now see them video when the gunman them a kick off them door and them thing there, see? But me understand say yo, I just so inner city community stay, right? They favor the criminals more of the lawmen. Not saying that the lawmen sometimes don't deserve the treatment they get, you know, because we have some bad cops and some persons who take advantage of their power and leadership, you know. But it just goes to show that we as Jamaica, we don't have any unity, and this is one of the reasons why crime will never stop, especially in the inner city communities. You know, we've also seen a video where soldiers were beating a man, you see it, that very same night. So it was just pure chaos in Tivoli and Denham Town last night. You know, like a whole heap of shot fire. You see it, we see police and soldier a run up and down, you see it, and them set the fire, them set the market afire. They must say yo, it was in rebel or protesting disturbance, you know, of the police shouldn't beat the innocent man and some bag of things last night, my people. So maybe I wonder say yo, like, so late in the night how people find time for even do all of that. You see it, my people. So viewers, subscribers, remember, leave a like on this video, also comment as well. Most of the views are coming from persons who are not subscribed, so I would really appreciate the fact if you guys could subscribe to the channel for future videos like this. I'm promise to keep you guys posted on any news that should be heard by the public if it's necessary. You know, I'm always there, and most of our news, or if not all, are reputable news. It's coming from accredited sources that you can count on. You know, not saying that there will not be mistake or sometimes unauthorized news. As you can see, this news is not yet in the public, but we have videos and audios to show that there was indeed something going on in Tivoli last night, right? So again, comment your opinion in the comment section below. Until next time, just vibe trader.